Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about writing portion, which is very important in your board exam. Or in writing portion, dear children, in last two videos, I taught you about two articles. The first one was harmful effects of eating junk food, and second article yesterday we discussed, that is hard work and punctuality, importance of hard work and punctuality, the second important article. I hope, dear children, you must have watched both the videos and you have certainly written in your notebooks. Today, one more writing portion I am going to discuss, or that is letter to editor. Dear students, this letter to editor question will surely and certainly come in your exam. Or I have taught you and told you many letters, including letter to editor. And I have told you the format also, that how you have to write. And at the same time, I have taught you that how you can get maximum marks in this question of letter writing or letter to editor. But especially, dear children, you have to focus on two letters, one letter to editor and another is application for job. So one more question, one more sample I want to discuss today. So as I have told you in previous videos related to letter, in that I have told you formal letter and its format, informal letter and its format with example. So whenever you are going to, dear children, going to write letter to editor, first of all you have to write the sender's address at the top. Sender's address is given here, 109 GS 13, Paschim Bihar, New Delhi. Or after writing the sender's address, dear students, then you have to leave one line and then you have to write date, or date should be like that, October 9, 2020 or 9th October 2020. Or then address of receiver, the editor, the Times of India, New Delhi. Or after that you will leave one line, then you have to write the subject. So first sender's address, then one line you have to leave, date you will write in this way, then you have to leave one line, and then receiver's address, and then you have to write subject, or subject, whatever subject is given in the question. Suppose in this question given expressing concern over increasing theft. Suppose you are living in Paschim Bihar, New Delhi, or in that area the cases of theft are increasing rapidly, so you are very much worried about that. And after that, dear children, then salutation, sir, or then body of the letter, or beginning line you have to write very correctly. And suppose through the thought provoking columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of concerned authorities towards the increasing theft taking place in the above mentioned area, means in 109 GH 13 Paschim Bihar, New Delhi. Or then after the rest of all portion. Or lastly, you have to write to the editor also. You have to tell your expectation, and you have to request that the editor should publish your news, that problem, in his newspaper or her newspaper. Or after conclusion, then dear children, you have to write yours truly. You may write yours sincerely also, but mainly yours truly is most appropriate in case of letter to editor. So it is all about the format, dear children. I am going to read the question. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper, reputed newspaper, focusing on increased theft and robberies in your locality, and also suggest some useful measures. You are Anil / Anita. So this is the question. So as I have told you, first you will write sender's address, or sender's address is 109 GH 13 Paschim Bihar, New Delhi. Or after that, dear children, then date, I have told you 9th October 2020 or October 9 2020. Or then the editor, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the Hindu, the Pioneer, whatever newspaper, any English newspaper name you can write, with place also. You have to not simply write the name of newspaper. So these three things you have to write. Or in the T will be capital, editor E will be capital, the T will be capital, Times or Hindustan H or T will be capital, India I will be capital, and New Delhi N will be capital, or Delhi D will be capital. These things you have to keep in your mind, because if you will write the letter in impressive way, so you can get better marks, maximum marks. Or after that, subject, or in subject, dear children, expressing E will be capital, concern, and then I, and then theft, T will be capital. These things you, and finally you have to underline also. And then salutation or sir. Or through the thought-provoking columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of concerned or related authorities for what? Towards the increasing theft taking place in above mentioned areas, means Paschim Bihar, New Delhi 109 GH 13 Paschim Bihar, New Delhi. And after that you have to change the paragraph. Although we, the residents of Paschim Bihar, have hired the security guards from reputed security companies, still there have been a number of reports of robberies. Despite the gates installed at every point and the guards stationed there, but unfortunately the cases of robbery and thefts are seen and discovered every day, because the robbers or the thieves, they have studied, and they are well aware about the routine of the colony people. They are well aware about the routine and time of people, when the people are going out and when they are coming to their home. So according to their strategy, they are making plan, or they are doing this job every day. They are the case, they are every day they are doing this thing, because they are well aware about the routine of the locality people, colony people, or they used to do this thing whenever the main people of the house, they are outside, or they are for their work outside, or when the small children or the old age parents, they are at home, at that time they used to do this malice work, or they are successful also, because they have record and report of every house. They are well aware about the routine of every house people, when the people of that locality, they are going for the work, or when they are returning back, or whenever they get the chance, whenever the robbers and thieves, they get the chance, they used to do this malice work, and they used to rob and loot all the things of that locality, of that house, in absence of the people. Or several times, several times we have requested to the authorities, especially the DSP of our locality, SHO of our locality, to increase patrolling, to send some extra security forces, so that they can point out and they can catch the robbers. But after many requests, neither the DSP or nor the SHO of this area have taken any action. So we are hopeless. After many arrests, the cases are increasing. Or here is given कि both at night and day the activities are going on. But the concerned authorities are not taking any action, not increasing the patrolling to catch the robbers and theft. Due to that, the robbers are successful in performing such malice activities and making the people sad. And after that, you have to leave the paragraph, dear children, and then finally the conclusion lines. Or it is hoped that our concern, means our issue, will be highlighted. Our matter will be highlighted in this issue of your esteemed newspaper. Once again, I am reminding कि it is hoped that our concern will be highlighted in this issue of your esteemed newspaper, so that it is brought to the attention of higher authorities who must take immediate action, who must take immediate steps to catch these criminals, these robbers, and these thieves, so that people can live peacefully and happily. So, this particular line you have to mention in the last paragraph. Once again, I am repeating. I hope that our concern means that matter of theft will be highlighted in this issue of your esteemed newspaper, The Times of India, so that it is brought to the attention of concerned authorities or higher authorities who is responsible for taking action, or who must take immediate steps to catch these robbers or criminals. And lastly, dear children, yours truly. You may write yours sincerely also, Anil or Anita. Understood? So this is the way of writing the letter to editor, dear students. Firstly, the beginning lines, then you have to highlight the problem, then you have to give the suggestion also, and with the suggestion you have to write the concluding paragraph, and lastly yours truly. If you are writing all the points in a proper way, in a proper manner, dear students, I can say that you will surely and certainly get maximum marks in this question of letter to editor or any question of formal letters. So this is all about today. You will surely and certainly write this letter in your notebook. That's all, children. Thank you.